What's up guys, it is Jordan from Moss Motoring here, and I'm back at the garage because we have a new package. Let me show you guys. Alright, so I've been waiting for this package for a little bit. Shipping is not the best right now, so there's more boxes. Alright. I'll just show you these one by one. Alright. Number one, we have fittings. Another one here. We have braided line. And these, I believe these are oil fittings as well. Put this on the bottom here. It says WG, so I have an idea of what it could be. Ooh, alright. We have a 38mm wastegate. Remember, this is for the Lexus that's over there. So, 38mm. Thing looks spicy. I believe it has a 5-pound and a 15-pound spring. There's another one of these. Hint, hint. What else? We have a V-band kit, so 3-inch stainless V-band. Thing looks massive. You could see that. Massive V-band. Alright. First time ever gonna be using V-bands too, so it should be nice. What else? More braided line, oil lines, put that down there as well. Another V-band kit. I have one of these, don't know what this is. Oh, these are the flanges. So, these are what the turbos are gonna be on. Very, very clean looking. Sorry for my sweatiness right now. It's like 200 degrees inside this. I gotta get some fans or something. And now we have the moment of truth with this big boy. So let me show you. So here we have number one of our two turbos. And if I can show you just how big this thing is, let me just hold it up so you can see. Oh my god! This is a large turbo. Oh, Jesus Christ. So here, as you can see, this is a 72mm turbo. Exhaust side and everything. Flange. This is a giant turbo. This is huge. And there's two of them. So with the rest of the parts that we have coming, that you're gonna see, this is probably gonna be maxed out. So it's just insane that I'm even saying that, because this is huge. Alright, this is the second turbo here. Again, 72mm. So this is gonna look insane inside of the Lexus, especially with the Barra and the 10-speed over there. Oh my god. Yeah, so just like that, get this thing from underneath here. Yeah, just like that, all our turbo parts have now arrived, and these turbos, it's got its own little shelf on the bottom here, as I'll show you right now. All those parts there just for the turbo build. So everything there is gonna be used. Along with that transmission down there, and I can't wait to start fabbing up these things on this motor. All we're waiting for right now is the motor. So yeah, that's all we have to wait for. The motor's coming with everything. It's coming with, well, I was about to say it, can't say it yet. Yeah, it's coming with all the mounts. We're able to weld up the mounts, put them in. ECU's coming for it as well. everything's going just as planned. We're just waiting for it to come. So I can't wait. But yeah, this probably is not going to be the end of this video. So I won't end it off, but see you guys later. It's a new day here, and I just got my package. I don't know what it's for yet. I have an idea what it's for, but I don't know if it's actually for that. Yeah, let's open it. So this package is from Australia, because it says Australia Post on the side. That's pretty much the only clue I got as to what it is. So I don't know, let's see what it is. Okay, let's open it up. Interesting box. Come on. Oh, we still got more tape. See, it makes me curious because I ordered a lot of stuff over the past couple months. And the Barra is from Australia, so this, ooh, I see metal. Alright. Let's see if we can see what that says. Looks like an ECU. I think that's exactly what it is. Yep, so this is our Barra ECU. I was just actually talking with the guy, his name is Bill Hoonton, or Bill Hooton, something like that. He actually programmed this ECU for us to do the first start on the Barra NA, but it's already set up for it to run. It's just to make sure the engine is alright, it runs and everything. You can actually see right there's the PCM, and shows, oh wait, yeah, I can't actually see. Alright, yeah, PCM on the bottom left and full milk on the top right. But yeah, I'm happy that this thing came. I've been waiting for this for a long time. So yeah, literally, like I said, we're just waiting for the motor at this point. That's basically it. The motor is the only thing that has to come here. All the harnesses on it and everything, literally just to put it in the car, connect it to the transmission, and start it up, see if it runs. So yeah, I can't wait to see. But yeah, short little clip. So let's keep going. What's up, guys? It is Jordan from Austin Motoring here, and I'm back once again with my new set of tools down here, and I'm back with the Mustang over there. So the thing is that, let me get this to focus real quick. Yeah, so I got my car back, and I got the okay to do all the I got the okay to do pulls on it for data logging for my tuner, and did my first pull, and geez, it's rocky down here. Yeah, I did my first pull, and what happened was check engine light started blinking. All of a sudden the car is like, okay, I don't want to do this anymore. It had a problem with misfiring, and it started retarding ignition, and yeah, so we're gonna do some data logging and figure out what the problem is. So first order of business is to go get some spark plugs and use the tools to diagnose this car. But let's get started, because I want to get finished with this thing and actually make some power. Still sounds exactly like how I remembered it. Whew. Let's turn on that AC because it is hot up in here. I also just got that fixed too because for some reason my AC wasn't working. Oh, not some reason. I drive a Ford. Alright, so I'm back. I got my Motorcraft spark plugs. Ford genuine stuff. But yeah, now I gotta take off the cover for my, oh, that's not the cover. Come on, aim it, there you go. Cover to my engine. Spark plugs and coil packs are all underneath there, so I'm gonna get to start doing that. Alright, so yeah, I was getting a crazy bad misfire in cylinder 1 right there. And I don't know if it has to do with the ground not being there from Ford not putting it back. But we're still gonna see. So I'm gonna replace all the spark plugs for these and we're gonna see if it does any better. I'm gonna be honest, the spark plugs don't look bad. I'll show you. See this right here? Hold up, I don't know if it will focus. This right here, come on, focus for me. There we go. It doesn't really look bad. Like, I'm looking at it, it looks brand new. I'm still gonna replace them, but yeah, let's do some more. Time to see exactly how it starts up. Moment of truth. Lit. My Nexar dash cam turning on right there. Air up. The car cycle up for a second. Let's wait for it to warm up. Alright, so we're running okay. Let me go give it some revs just to hear it. Any misfire, any retarded ignition. Let's see. Turn off